Hey guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to add alerts to Streamlabs desktop. First, we're going to need an alert, and for that you can head over to our website where we have hundreds of alerts, and you could choose any of these. They'll be all in WebM format with transparent backgrounds. There's also pixelslucky.etsy.com, which you can find them all there as well. So we'll just go ahead and choose one of these. We'll use Cheese Rain, and again, these look weird if you view them on their own because they have transparent backgrounds. They're made to be used as an overlay. So let's go ahead and set it up in Streamlabs desktop. First thing we need to do is add a source for our alerts to appear in. Click that plus, click Alert Box, add source. We'll leave it named Alert Box. So we're in general settings. We'll need to go to browser settings, and since all of our alerts are full screen, let's set this to 1920 by 1080. You might, if any of the alerts have sound, you'll probably want to turn on control audio via Streamlabs, just so you don't have to deal with it somewhere else and be able to mess with it right over here. If you want to get back into your alert settings, just click this gear or double click Alert Box. We have it turned on for donation, cheer, follow, host, raid, subscription. We'll just worry about follow for now. But all these settings will set up on the dashboard on the website. So hit close. This isn't centered yet, so we can right click, transform, center on screen, or we could have just dragged it over. Okay, now we're going to click on Alert Box settings, which will take us to the website dashboard where we can finish setting up the alert. You can see we're in the Alert Box section, general settings. Everything's good here except we want the text over the image. Obviously, if it's above the image or below the image, it won't be full screen, or if it's to the right of the image, it won't be full screen. So text over the image, that's important. Save settings. Now we're going to set up follows. You would do the same steps for subscriptions, donations, bits, raids, whatever. We'll just focus on follows for now. Same thing, text over the image. Make sure that it's enabled. We'll mess with this if we have to. This is where you'll set the message that appears. Text animation if you want one. But for now, we're going to just add the image. So click Select Image. Go to Uploads. We'll drag in. We're using the cheese. There, click the Cheese Rain. Select. Okay. So the only other thing here is we want to make sure how long the duration of the alert is, that it's set to the same as the alert. And in all of our listings, we say how long the alert is, but you can just hover over it or get the properties of the video or just open the video and watch it to see. And I believe this one's 14 seconds. Double check. Yep, 14 seconds. Otherwise, the video will just fade out before it ends. So make sure that's set right. Enable custom HTML and CSS. This is how we would move the text from being in the middle of it, of the screen, and maybe I'll show you that in another video. Font settings, you can change that here. And then variations, this is also where you will add things. I don't need this one in here. But this is where you will add if you want other ones to play while you're like randomly. So you can add more than one alert and then you never know what's going to go off. So make sure you click Save Settings. And now we can click Test Follow, and it will show us inside of the desktop app what it's going to look like. So we'll click that, and then we'll watch it in the Streamlabs desktop. Okay, now we're going to click Test Follow, and if everything was set up correctly, it should play. Yep, there it is. Beautiful cheese raining down. Lucky Pixels is now following. That was set up in the alert dashboard. The colors were set up in the alert dashboard, the font, and yeah. Congratulations on setting up your first alert. Follow us on Pixels Lucky for some updates and discounts, and check out our shop for a few hundred more alerts we've made. Also, we're always making new alerts, so feel free to message us if you have any ideas for the shop. Thanks.